Sometimes you want Evo good looks and aggression, but you can't stretch the budget that far. Mitsubishi has you covered though. This is the 2012 Lancer, and it's got the looks, it's got the style at a better price. Regardless of what's going on under the hood, Lancers are aggressive looking vehicles, and that's the key here with this specific Lancer GT. You've got this large mouth that's very snout-like. You've got these evil, demonic eyes. It all adds up to the package, this overall look that's sharp, it's chiseled, it's sporty, it's aggressive. It's the key to the Lancer style. Mitsubishi's got you busy when you're looking at the Lancer. There's a whole host of trim lines to choose from. At the bottom of the barrel is the DE, and a step up from that is the ES. Both of them are powered by a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, which makes about 148 horsepower. You can get that with a 5-speed manual transmission. Stepping up from there, there's an all-new trim called the SE, which is their lowest priced all-wheel drive version, whereas the base models were front-wheel drive. So you get a little more traction in bad weather or on a snowy road. Now from there you can go to the GT, which replaces the GTS from last year. From there further you've got the Rally Art, which is the king of the hill until you get to the big bad daddy, the Evolution. Mitsubishi has dropped the GTS trim for the 2012 model year. They've replaced it with this GT. Under the hood, we've got a 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder engine. It's good for about 168 horsepower, and you can pair it with a 5-speed manual or a CVT. Is the GT not enough muscle for you? Step all the way up to the Rally Art. It's got a turbocharged 4-cylinder, 2-liter engine, makes 237 horse, and you can pair it with a 6-speed automatic, twin-clutch, paddle-shiftable transmission. This is the back seat of a Lancer. It's not a wonderful place to be. My legs hurt, my head hurts, my neck hurts. My bum's all right because it's nice and cushiony. There's not a lot of room. I'd rather be up there. Up front, Mitsubishi has created a great environment for the driver. It's sport focused, it's very comfortable. These are super cushioned seats that aren't overly bolstered, but they're still supportive, and they're heated. In addition, you've got these massive magnesium paddle shifters if you want to kick everything down a gear or two, get a little more power from the engine up front. The gauges are easy to read. This is within easy reach. The HVAC controls are big and easy to read. It's just a good place. Everything's in arm's reach, it's comfortable, it's driver focused. You've got the aggressive looking outside, you've got this super comfortable seat up front here, but there's a bit of a disconnect when it comes to the sporting nature belied by the outside. The engine isn't as fun as it might let on with this gaping maw and the big spoiler. It's fun to drive, but it's certainly not quick. It gets off the line, but it's more geared towards fuel economy. This will never be confused with the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Additionally, the engine has a raspy tone to it. It's not very refined sounding. It just gets the job done. Mitsubishi has seen fit to fit a fun feature to the rearview mirror of this Lancer. Looks nice and clean, standard rearview mirror. Pop it in reverse, there's a camera out back, and now I can see what it's displaying. Now, when I back into spaces, I know exactly what's behind me. When we're talking about the Mitsubishi Lancer, we're talking about some serious competition as well. Names like Nissan Altima and Ford Fusion, to name a few. What does this have that those don't? Well, if you step all the way up to the Rally Art, you're getting a fun-to-drive experience with that all-wheel drive. But that means you have to spend all the way up the tree for Mitsubishi. Of course, you could go even further with the Evolution, but that means you're crazy. It's an awesome car, and you're competing in a completely different weight class. But if you step all the way down through the Lancer family, you are getting good looks, aggressive features that the others can't match. Is that enough? We're not sure.